Hey, I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery. One thing I get asked all the time, how do you make a bow? How do I make a bow? I've never been able to make a bow. Well, actually, every time you put on your tennis shoes, you're making a bow. So what I'm gonna do today is show you how to do a super simple bow, tie your shoe bow. So what I've done is I've cut 2 pieces of ribbon that are about a yard long, a little bit longer, but anywhere from 36, 38 inches. And then let's think about this, that these are our 2 pieces. We'll say that this is our pair of shoes, and we're pulling our laces up from our shoes, okay? So the very first thing that you do is you pull them up and you tie them across each other. So that's the very first thing we're gonna do here. Okay? So then what we're gonna do, we wanna make sure it's a little more even than I had it right there, okay? So these are even. So then you're going to tie up your loop, tie up your next loop, and just like you do when you tie your shoe, you're going to wrap this around and make your bow. Now at first you think that is one squishy, odd looking bow. Well, gotta have a little bit of patience with it, because just like when you're a child, it took a little while for you to learn how to tie your shoes. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna keep kind of playing with it until you get it the size that you want. You see I'm just tugging on the different tails, okay? And then you end up where you have 2 sets of tails. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to trim them so that I have 2 different layers. And then from here, all you're gonna do is take a piece of wire, turn it over on the back, run it through the knot. So from here, you're just gonna take the wire, run it through the knot on the back, and then you're going to twist it on. And then you're ready and have your super simple tie your shoe bow. You can add this to flagpoles, to presents, anything you like. So there's no way anymore that you can say, I don't know how to tie a bow. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery.